What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily replace the light bulb in your fridge refrigerator. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and notification bell. That way you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to this one. Okay, so this fridge happens to be an Amana, but it's going to be pretty much the same style on a lot of these fridges. We go ahead and open it up, and the light bulb panel is up here. Now to gain access to this panel, there's a little indentation here at the back. We're going to go ahead and push back towards the back of the fridge. And it should undo like that. So here it is. There's the little tab. And then if we look up here, there's two light bulb sockets. Looks like this one on the left is burned out, so we'll just go ahead and unscrew that one. Yep, it's burned out. So your refrigerator is going to use smaller bulbs than you normally use. These are A15 medium base bulbs. I'll make sure I go ahead and put some links down in the description to some replacement bulbs for you guys to check out. I'll go ahead and put some LED options too if you're looking for something brighter. And we're gonna go ahead and screw it in, make sure it works. Should just come right on. If you're worried about the electricity, you can go ahead and press this little switch in the front while you screw it in so that there's no power coming towards it. But there it goes. Then we're gonna take our light cover just like this, and then you just kinda gotta slide it back into place, and it should snap right into place. And that is it, guys. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.